Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your password, remove blogging option, remove blogging password in PC. So from here we need to go to setting. From setting go to account. In the account go to sign in option. Go password. Here you need to click on change. We need to give our current password. Click on next. So now you can see in here, change your password, new password, confirm password or password key. We don't need to give any information. We don't need to change anything. Simply click on next and click on finish. If you restart your computer, then no password will be required. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.